hold me hostage.
Calm down, why are you shouting?
Shut up.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Yes. Senamadoda yini. Ufuna ukutshela mina kwami. Ufuna ukutshela mina kwami.
Look at what you're doing.
Ben,
Look at what you're doing.
usuyindoda.
Look at what you're
Usuyindoda.
Look at what you're saying.
Namadoda. You can get up against me. Ufuna ungishaya. Ufuna wenza. Ufuna kulwa nami. Wozani phela wozani ngishaya. Wozani khanda. Wozani ngishaya. Wozani ngishaya. Wozani ngishaya. Ufuna kulwa nami kwami. Ni
Father of 8, Zola Ntshangase caught fire from the internet after a video of him and his family having an altercation went viral. In the video, Zola is a one-man army against his family, demanding for his car keys and questioning 2 of his oldest sons whether they want to whoop his ass. The cause of this altercation is Zola is paid lobola for his second wife, Misokuhle Mzizi, and is planning on taking Isithembu. Not only is the family disgusted by this, but people on social media took arms and began to prosecute Misokuhle as a home wrecker. Isithembu is a common thing in African society, so why is Zola being crucified? Is it because he has 8 kids? Is it the manner in which the news emerged? Or is Isithembu a thing of the past?